Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is your boy Don Wise. This channel helps us to understand forex trading in the simplest form. In this video, I'll be teaching us on how and when to enter a trade. Some of us, we don't know how to enter a trade, and as a result of this, our account is being blown, especially the beginners. After watching this video, you will understand how it works. If this is the kind of content you like, please give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button so that anytime a video like this is dropped, you'll be the first to be notified. And I promise, yes, I promise that I will keep all my videos as short as simple. Let's dive into the charts.
And when to enter a market. Some people they don't know when to enter a market. Though first you have to identify the trend. This is 4 hours. Identify the trend. Is it uptrend or downtrend? Is it uptrend or downtrend? Which is very, very important. You understand? I don't want to just waste time on this video. You can as well go to my previous videos, most especially on how to analyze. You will get it all there. And the other one I also drop how to stack. Very, very important. You understand? So I don't want to dive much into any more. I want to go straight on how to enter a market. Let us assume it's an uptrend already. We know. The way you can even see it, you see that we have series of higher high, higher low, higher higher low, higher high, higher low, just like that. You understand? Let me just draw it so that I don't get you boring. You understand? Let me just from here. We have higher high, here, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Let's assume that we end this here. Yes, this one end this particular place. This place you are seeing now, it ended. Let's assume from here we don't have anything here. Let me just use vertical line to demarcate it. This particular place you are seeing, let's assume there's this line now. We don't have, there's nothing here. Let's just assume there's nothing here. We want to analyze this market now. Hope you have gotten that this is already uptrend. We are doing our analysis on from 4 hours. You normally do analysis as a day trader from higher time frame down to the lower time frame. Lower time frame is where you execute your trade, when you take your trade. I mean, that is 15 minutes. You can see this 15 minutes here. 4 hours and 1 hour is higher time frame. The 4 hours is the main trend, while 1 hour is the current trend, and why 15 minutes is where you go and take your trade, because you've convinced already from the 4 hours and 1 hour. Like I said earlier on, this is the engine that controls the lower time frame. So I will remove this white thing we used to identify the uptrend, this particular one. I want to remove it now. So what do you do now in order to enter a trade? So draw your trend line. I'm not going to use much or confidences. Let me just make it straight to the point. This place, I say your line should touch at least first second. Let's assume now this from here, nothing is here. Assume that you're not seeing anything here from this demarcation. Nothing is here. We want to enter a proper trade. So what you will do, you take this your trend line here. This is the first one. Draw it to meet this second one. You understand? Let's assume that nothing is here. So this is the first one we are working with, this first line, and this second one. Let me just demarcate it so that you don't see this one here that I'm putting circle. Let me reduce the circle so that you don't get burden. And this one here is the thing we are taking. Don't know what is strong with my cursor. me just forget about it. So this two is the first two touch. Yeah. So what you are doing now is this one. When do we enter a trade? We've confirmed with from this trend line now, from this trend line. So we assume that we've not seen anything here. So market from this place, market start going up. So we didn't enter this trade. For example, we didn't enter this trade that is going up now. So the market have come to this particular end, and this is a uptrend already. You don't go against the trend like what I told you earlier on. So this market start dropping. You must wait for it to come to this trend line for you to be sure that it has rested on the trend line. Either it will cross it, or from that place uptrend will still continue. So you go to your 1 hour, which is the current trend, to confirm. As you can see, this is the first two touch of our trend line. We assume that this white one is demarcating. Nothing is here. Let's assume there's nothing. We are not seeing anything here. We are working on this particular white one. So this market now came down to this place. So you don't know when to enter this trade now. You know this trend line you are seeing here. You have to confirm to see what is giving you that confidence that you should enter this market. You understand? So this is still the 1 hour. You don't enter your trade on this 1 hour. So, but let me just draw a zone so that we don't get confused. This place, we are waiting for this the downtrend to meet this trend line to give us that confirmation if we should enter for buy, or we should wait to see if at all the trend it will continue trend going down, which is downtrend. So go to your 15 hours to wait for this particular trade. 15 hours. As you can see, 15 hours. We are on 15 hours now. You see the trend line withdrew from 4 hours. The spot, we take this our trend line from here, the first and second place. So this is where we are waiting for this market, because here we didn't get it clear in this place. It didn't give us what will make us to enter trade from this place. So as you rest on this place, what we should be looking at for is for W pattern. Anywhere you see a W pattern, let me just draw it here. This is a W pattern. Anywhere you see a trade like this, if it is resting under your trend line or psychological level, you take it long. You don't waste time with it. Like I said earlier on, please go and go and watch the previous video that I did, that I dropped, how to analyze trend line. You will see something like this. So if you check, we are seeing W pattern, this pattern. We are seeing it here. But if you are not seeing it clearly, how can I see this pattern that is W pattern? You can click on your line charts. Can you see it? This is a W pattern. This is a W pattern. It shows that it is now right. This is the time, the best time to enter long. Then what will you do now? You take it long, is buy. Click on your buy. Take this particular place, hit it. You don't waste time. You drew your take profits up to this level. Let me just indicate it by white, this is so I don't make a mistake here. This is when it started falling down as a downtrend. You go this part, wait it for this, then take this your take profit up down to the point of the way you will take your profit here. And like what I normally said, you say take it up at least 1 ratio 2 is so enough. You can drop your stop loss below this previous low, this one we are seeing here, because if eventually this market decide to go down, it must respect this one. Except if it crosses this one, that means market, there's a break of structure, the market will not continue to go down. But if you didn't break this particular one, it will continue going up. So you just keep your stop loss here. Like I said earlier, always give your stop loss a space so that you don't get hit out. So this one is a risk reward ratio 2, which means if you are, let me just assume, I'll always try to put it in lowest form so that everybody can participate in the trade. If you are risking $10, it shows that if this market goes in your favor, you will be in profit of $20. But if it go against you, you will lose $10. So that is what it means by risk reward ratio 2. You understand? So you now keep your take profit here. Because why are you doing so? Because this one I've already shown all that is W pattern. Let me go to the line chart again. See a W pattern. I wish you can see this very clearly. Look at it. Let me just draw it so that you see it clearly. This is a W pattern. Look at it. W pattern. I just wish you can see this thing very clearly. This is a W pattern. W pattern. I wish you can see. Can you see this line? This white line. Look at it very well. It's a W pattern. Let me just remove it so that we don't make any mistake. It's a W pattern. It shows that we cannot enter our trade. You now enter it and leave it at this level. If at all market want to start coming down, you must respect this level. Look at what happened now. It hit the take profit. It wanted to come down, but market continue going up and still drop again, continue. So this market is an uptrend market. With this one, you can still enter another trade here if you wish, because this particular place, and just take a little profit from this place. You understand? But I may say sometimes that one is very, very risky. You have to be sure of the market you are entering. Let me turn it to normal distance. You see? So the market start dropping. As soon as you get to this level, it came to respect this place. See all these ones. Let me put this white something. You see it? This thing is very, very technical. If you can pay attentive very well. You see all this, what is it called? Multiple up and down something retests. It came down to this place and start going up again. The same thing will still happen. This market is dropping. As I'm doing this analysis, today is Thursday, and this market is coming down. This place is, you still respect it. Though I didn't draw my psychological level as usual, as we normally do, understand? So I just want to teach us on how and when to enter a trade. Some of us will enter trade randomly without getting the confirmation. Sometimes if you can even use only two conferences to enter your trade, like what we just did now. It is two conferences. One, our trend line. Two, our candlestick pattern that gave us W pattern. You see, if I decide to draw my trend line, what is it called, psychological level, you will see that psychological level is resting on this place that gave us W pattern. But I want to try as much as possible to keep on keeping my video as short, as simple as I promise. I want, as soon as I want in a way that once you just watch, you click on my video, any of my videos, once you click on them, you just get it, you grab everything. That is the level I want to make this channel to look like. As soon as you click on the video, before you watch to the end, you get it clearly. So anybody that feel that what is it called, forex trading or trading is very hard, I want my channel to make it look simple. It's just all about understanding it. You understand? Though sometimes market doesn't always play on our side. There must be a downside. You understand? Market sometimes manipulation and all that, but the winning side is always bigger than the losing side. So it is very, very important you always give this video a like and also subscribe, as it will help the channel grow and it will also motivate me to keep on pushing out videos. I must tell you the truth. There are a lot of videos to dish out in this channel. I'm not here to just collect money from you or ask you to subscribe, do this one so that you get. No, watch it for free. Only what I just want from you, just give it a like and always subscribe. If you are the returning subscriber, thank you very much. Keep on coming. But if you are just seeing this video for the first time, give it a like and also hit that subscribe button. It will not only give you that information or give you that notification anytime a video is dropped on this channel, but rather it will also help the channel to grow. That is what I just want from you. Give me that motivation, encourage me to keep on dishing out videos. There's a lot to be released. It is loaded in a simplest form. So I believe with this short video, you are able to grab how and when to enter a market. So if you feel that there is also a question to ask, feel free to drop it at the comment section. I will always be there to respond to your question. I want everybody to succeed in this space no matter what. Even if everybody decide to start trading, you will still make your own money. Nobody will collect your money from you. If they say everybody start trading, don't do any other thing, people will still be flourishing in this space. That is what I want. There's no selfishness, there's no bias. Make your money, I make my money. So refer other people to this channel. Let them learn as well, so that to make life easy for people, so that you don't see this as a scam. It's not a scam. Understand, what you just need is your knowledge on how and when to enter a market, how to analyze, how to stack, and every other thing. Many things I need to dish out in this channel. Subsequent times, you'll be seeing more videos. I just want you to give me that encouragement.
Please, one thing, give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button, as it will help the channel to grow. See you in my next video. Peace.